Well, with weather this week, our focus shifts from the snowfall that we just had this past weekend to the cold temperatures that we'll see later this week. And speaking of that snow, here's a look at some of the snow blowing in the wind from today. We did deal with quite a bit of snowfall, and we'll talk about and kind of recap a little bit of what exactly took place on late Saturday night through your Sunday afternoon. Now, snowfall totals, most of southeast Minnesota got anywhere from about 6 to upwards of 10.8 inches of snow in Stockton. For the most part, Olmsted County, anywhere from about 7 to 9, close to 9.5. Officially, Rochester coming in at the Rochester International Airport of 9.4 inches of snow. So that 9.4, where does that rank all time in just a single event, a one-day event in the month of February? Well, it actually makes the top 5 for the greatest snowfall that Rochester has seen, according to the record books. 9.4 puts us at third. The top, all the way back in 1893. I'm sure everyone remembers the 13.5 that we had back in 1893. But just last year, last February, the 23rd, we had 10.1, so we fell shy of that. So again, that's for a single day snowfall, not an entire event where it includes 2 days, but single event-wise for one day, we ranked in the top 5 for snowiest days in February. Now, the cold temperatures take over the forecast this week. I think we could have wind chills down to around 25 to 30 degrees below zero later this week. We'll have several chances of snow in the forecast this week as well. Warmer temperatures in at least by the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, although we'll deal with some snowfall chances, we'll have some warmer conditions. Outside currently as the sun sets tonight on our Lewis Sonato live camera, 18 degrees in Rochester. Winds a little breezy at about 14 miles per hour. Those winds will be a factor here through the next several days. Satellite radar, clear skies tonight. We're pretty quiet. Our next system that we're tracking is a high pressure system. This Arctic high that will come out of Canada will really drop our temperatures down here as we head through the next several days, especially late this week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That's when this Arctic high will impact us. And watch these wind chills. Early Tuesday morning, we're at about 4 degrees below zero. And then all of a sudden, the bottom falls out. We're down to Wednesday night. Notice Fargo, 45 degrees below zero. That's for the feel-like temperature. In Rochester, we're right around 37 degrees potentially below zero for wind chills early on Thursday morning. So the cold weather is right around the corner. Get ready for the Arctic air to be back in the forecast. Tonight, temperatures stay pretty steady. I think we have some high-level clouds. We'll be down into the lower teens to upper single digits for those overnight lows tonight. Tomorrow, high temperatures right back into the mid to lower 20s. Your town forecast for tonight, we're looking at those lower teens, middle teens in some areas, just depending on the type of cloud cover we have outside tonight. About 15 degrees in southeastern, or I should say northeastern Iowa. As we look at tomorrow's forecast, mid to lower 20s for those highs. We'll have some sunshine, mostly sunny conditions. More of the same in northeastern Iowa. We'll be looking at those mid-20s. Your 7-day forecast, the temperatures get cold, 31 degrees for the high Wednesday. We'll have a slight chance for some light snow Wednesday. And then all of a sudden Wednesday night, 8 below zero, 15 below Thursday into Friday. That's when I think we could have wind chills, Barrett, potentially close to around 30 degrees below zero Thursday into your Friday.
Whew. That is, that's rough.
Yes, that's a big change. That's a big change compared to.
But you did say that was coming our way. I remember that.
Yes, compared to what we've had so far, the winter of 2019-2020.
Yeah,
the cold weather's right around the corner.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Nick. Hey, here is a look at what's ahead.